Hello, today we will guide you through how to add and manage add-ins in PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can begin with a new presentation or open an existing one, since the process for adding add-ins is available from within the PowerPoint interface either way. Once PowerPoint is open, give yourself a moment to look at the ribbon across the top of the screen, because that's where you'll find the tools you need. Next, stay on the Home tab and look toward the top right area of the screen for the Add-ins option. Depending on your version of PowerPoint or the size of your window, the exact placement may vary slightly, but it should still be in that upper section of the ribbon. If you don't spot it immediately, it can help to maximize the window so all ribbon options are easier to see. When you find Add-ins, click on it. This opens the area where PowerPoint lets you access and manage add-in tools. Add-ins can extend what PowerPoint can do by giving you extra features, integrations, or productivity tools, so this is the main place to begin whenever you want to explore those options. From there, click on More Add-ins. This takes you to the store or library where available add-ins are listed. You may see categories, featured tools, or a search option depending on your setup. For this walkthrough, you'll simply continue by browsing the available choices. Look for the sample add-ins shown on your screen, and then click Add next to the one you want to install. This tells PowerPoint that you'd like to include that add-in in your presentation environment. Some add-ins are designed for content creation, while others help with workflow, visuals, or collaboration. So be sure you're selecting the one displayed in your instructions. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the add-in setup. In some cases, PowerPoint may ask you to confirm permissions, accept terms, or continue through a short installation prompt. Read each screen carefully and proceed through the prompts until the add-in is successfully added. If a panel opens on the side, or the add-in appears in the ribbon, that usually confirms it has been installed and is ready to use. As a final tip, if you ever want to manage your add-ins later, return to the same add-ins area in PowerPoint. That makes it easier to review what's already installed and access the tools you use most often. That's it. You've now seen how to add and manage add-ins in PowerPoint.